Ever wonder how Amazon's shopping cart remembers your items, even if you switch devices or come back weeks later? It's not magic, it's brilliant system design. We're diving into how they maintain a seamless, highly available, and reliable shopping experience. We'll explore the challenges of persistent cart state, the power of distributed storage, and the art of balancing speed with data safety. So, you've just found that perfect item online and clicked Add to Cart. Ever wondered what magic happens behind the scenes to make sure it's always there, no matter which device you use or when you return? Let's uncover the secrets of a highly reliable shopping cart system, starting with your initial request as the user. What do you think happens first when you interact with a massive system like Amazon? How does your request find its way to the right place? Our first stop after you, the user, is a powerful load balancer. Think of it like a very smart traffic cop, directing millions of incoming requests to the available application servers, specifically our shopping cart service. This ensures no single server gets overwhelmed, and your experience remains smooth and responsive. Now, here's where the magic of speed truly happens. Once your request reaches the shopping cart service, any actions like adding or removing items are first processed and stored in a Redis cluster. Redis is an incredibly fast, in-memory key-value store. It's designed for near real-time access, meaning your cart updates instantly across all your active devices. This is the blazing fast Redis for current state, ensuring near real-time access and responsiveness. But what if Redis, being an in-memory store, somehow loses its data? That's where our durable storage layer comes into play. Simultaneously, or shortly after, the shopping cart service asynchronously backs up your cart data to a robust PostgreSQL database. Think of Postgres as the long-term memory, guaranteeing data durability and recovery even if Redis instances face issues. And for extra resilience, Redis also performs a background sync/persistence with PostgreSQL, keeping everything aligned. And there you have it. This dual-layer storage strategy with Redis for speed and Postgres for durability is how a system like Amazon ensures your shopping cart never forgets an item. It cleverly balances blazing fast Redis for current state with asynchronous backup to PostgreSQL, providing both instant responsiveness and absolute reliability, even when handling billions of active shopping carts simultaneously. It's a testament to brilliant system design. Imagine you're adding an item to your Amazon cart. What happens first? Your request, usually an HTTPS request, travels from your device to Amazon's data centers. It first hits a smart traffic cop, known as a load balancer. Think of this load balancer as a master orchestrator, efficiently distributing millions of incoming requests across a cluster of application servers. This ensures no single server gets overwhelmed and your shopping experience remains smooth and responsive, even during peak shopping seasons. Once an application server receives your request, it knows you want to interact with your shopping cart. But with billions of carts, how does it find yours quickly? This is where the sharding router comes into play. The application server passes your cart operation to this specialized router. The sharding router, using a clever trick like a hash of your unique user identification, acts like a smart postal service, knowing exactly which specific part of our distributed storage holds your cart's information. It's like having millions of mini warehouses, each dedicated to a subset of users. Now that the sharding router has identified where your cart data should live, it directs your request to the appropriate Redis shard. Redis is an incredibly fast in-memory key-value store, perfect for a distributed fast cache. Each Redis shard is like a super speedy temporary storage unit that holds a portion of all active shopping carts. This ensures that when you add an item or view your cart, the system retrieves the data almost instantly, providing that snappy, seamless experience you expect. While Redis provides blazing fast access, what happens if a Redis server goes down? Or if we need to store your cart for much longer, even if you don't access it for months? That's where durability comes in, and our PostgreSQL shards are crucial for distributed persistent storage. After your cart data is updated in Redis, it's not immediately written to PostgreSQL. Instead, a dedicated data sync service, working asynchronously, picks up these updates from Redis and pushes them to the corresponding PostgreSQL shard. This process demonstrates eventual consistency. There might be a tiny delay, perhaps a few milliseconds between the cache and the permanent database, but the system prioritizes speed for your immediate interaction while guaranteeing eventual data durability. So what we've built is a highly robust and scalable shopping cart system. From your initial request to the load balancer, through intelligent routing by the sharding router, to the appropriate Redis shard for instant access, and finally, asynchronously synced to a Postgres shard for permanent storage, every piece plays a vital role. This clever balance of speed provided by Redis, durability assured by Postgres, and consistency managed by the DataSync service, all powered by horizontal scaling through sharding, allows Amazon to maintain billions of active shopping carts simultaneously without missing a beat, ensuring your items are always remembered across all your devices for weeks, months, or even years. So, what we've built is a highly robust and scalable shopping cart system. From your initial request to the load balancer, through intelligent routing by the sharding router to the appropriate Redis shard for instant access, and finally, asynchronously synced to a Postgres shard for permanent storage, every piece plays a vital role. This clever balance of speed provided by Redis, durability assured by Postgres, and consistency managed by the DataSync service, all powered by horizontal scaling through sharding, allows Amazon to maintain billions of active shopping carts simultaneously without missing a beat, ensuring your items are always remembered across all your devices for weeks, months, or even years.